Now's the time to get your listings prepared for the holiday season. If you're not prepared yet, I'll show you some steps and tips in today's video to ensure you are. During the holiday season, we prepared our client to make over $100,000, and they smashed that mark and made $133,000 just during the last holiday season. Now you can make a lot more depending on your product, or a lot less if you don't prepare. Even regular products, the sales increase just because there's so many shoppers. Now the first thing you want to do is the easiest. You're not going to think it makes a difference, but it does, because humans love visuals, and that's going to be your first image. All you have to do is add a little bow. Add a little bow, even though if it doesn't come with a bow, add something extra to your listing to show people, hey, it's the holiday season, we're ready, this is a holiday season item. These types of items, like with a bow on it, will stand out, they will get more clicks, and you will get more sales. It's that simple. Prepare this ahead of time, so that way right when you get into quarter 4, you can change it right away. Here's another example with pumpkins. They did this for Halloween. Again, this helps them stand out. Number 2 is start ranking for holiday keywords. So right when September comes, we're looking at all of our clients' accounts and we're looking at all of the top keywords to rank for the holiday season, right? Gifts for mom, gifts for dad, Christmas gifts, Black Friday. You want to have a list of all of these keywords that customers are going to be typing in, because the earlier you have them on your listing, the better. Amazon sometimes takes up to 30 days to actually see all these new keywords you have and help you rank for them. You can put them in your title, you can put them in your bullet points, you can put them in your description, you can put them in your backend search terms, you can put them behind your brand story, you can put them behind your A+ content. A lot of places you can put these new keywords, have them. Don't forget about Spanish keywords, right? Feliz Navidad. We want to have different keywords in the background as well. Spanish keywords. You want to be targeting everybody, and that's Spanish and English. Focus on English first. If you already have all your keywords you need, get those Spanish keywords in. I love to put them behind the brand story and the A+ content photos. Tip number 3, and this is the hardest part for most sellers, and that's going to be getting your inventory prepared ahead of time. Because a lot of sellers are like, oh, I don't know what to do. If it's your first season, just make sure you have look at your past 3 months and have at least double the amount of inventory. Usually sales quadruple during the holiday season, but if it's your first holiday season and you don't know, then try to base it off of having double the amount of inventory for October, November, and December. Make sure you send in your inventory by September. If you already have sales history, you've been through the holiday season, go on Amazon, look at your last holiday season and exactly how it did. Right? You can see right here from our clients' data, you can see again, they made a significant amount, and we can see their daily sales. We can see how many sales they are generating per day and kind of average that out and then prepare with that for the next holiday season. If we're even more prepared, we can have a little bit of extra inventory, but you can at least look at the previous holiday season if you have that data. Next is, again, in September, starting Amazon PPC early. If you start late, you're going to be competing big time with other large sellers. Again, gifts for mom, gifts for dad, right? Things like that. What are people typing in to find the product? If you start Amazon ads early for these types of keywords, like in September, it's going to help you rank and be prepared and rank for these keywords naturally. So when the holiday season comes and it costs so much money to run ads, you can turn off the ads. But Amazon already knows you were running ads, you were already getting clicks, you were already getting sales, so you're still going to be ranking for those keywords. Of course, you can stay running ads if you want on those holiday season keywords, but if you want, you can also turn them off because you already have data, sales data, the keywords on your title, you've been running Amazon PPC, and you're going to be a lot more well off than you would if you haven't run ads or waited the last second to run ads. Something a lot of sellers overlook is your capacity limit. Make sure that you have a good capacity limit set. So look at your capacity limit if you are ordering extra inventory. Again, it's good to get your inventory in at Amazon if possible by September, because Amazon takes forever to check in the inventory during the holiday season, during Q4. So have it in early, and then make sure that your capacity limit is up to date. If it's not and you can't send in all that inventory, go to the capacity manager right here, and then click on that, and you can bid ahead of time. If you try to bid during the holiday season and up your capacity, Amazon's probably not going to approve it during the holiday season, or it's going to be extremely expensive. So get it approved ahead of time and send that inventory in. If you want to stand out and have a little bit of a Christmas tree, coupons is another thing. So they're going to have like a holiday deal, a coupon, save 5%. Like, you can stand out if you want all of these extra deals on here. This is up to you if you want to try to get an extra boost. Sometimes I don't like coupons because Amazon charges you per click. So it's up to you on what you want to do. But this is just an extra one where somebody had like a Prime Day deal, a coupon, a save 5%, and an extra savings, which is like buy in bulk and save extra during Prime Day. And this kind of made like a Christmas tree effect, and this helped them increase sales by around 10x. So it was a crazy thing. It did work. It did push them to the first page, and it did make them stand out. So again, another thing that you want to think about. And don't forget to do analysis. You can use Helium 10 if you're like, oh, what tools do I use to rank to find these keywords? You can use Helium 10's magnet. So you can literally go to Helium 10, go to magnet, and then you can actually see like what keywords people are typing in for the holiday season. So you can type in, let me show you. We're gonna go to tools, magnet, gifts for mom, Christmas. So we can do that. And then what we can do is it's gonna show you like all these different keywords and the search volume of these keywords. So you can kind of see what keywords you want to start ranking for or put on your listing and which ones you don't want to be putting on your listing for the holiday season. So right now, because it's not the holiday season, you're going to have to actually go back and triple check. But there's different customizable data that you can see, and you can try to see ones, let's see, word count, time, keyword sales, holiday. Holiday gifts, men's holiday gifts. Holiday gifts for female friend, mom holiday gifts. So there's so many different keywords. The search volume is not going to be really, really high yet, but it's going to get higher. And at least you can have like a full list of what people are actually searching on Amazon. These ones actually can get you the Amazon's Choice badge. So it's always good to know. But that's it for today's video. Have you started prepping your Amazon listings for the holiday season yet? Let me know in the comments below. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue, or spending hours trying to optimize your listings for the holiday season. We'll have it prepared, ready to go, and implement it for you so you can save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.